Today I have 5 cubes differently scrambled, and what I'm going to do with these cubes is magic. So first of all, I'm going to take this cube and I'm going to put this from behind my back, and you are gonna see it solve. You want to see how? This scrambled from all sides.
No!
This is solved from all sides. Now you must be thinking that another cube is hiding behind my back. You may be right, but this time you're wrong. So I'm going to do this magic again with this particular cube, which I'm going to scramble more, so that you can see that it is in actual scramble. So it's scrambled from all the sides. You can see from all the 4 sides. And I'm going to just watch this my hand and
No way.
from all the sides. अब यही मैजिक आप सोच रहे होंगे कि 2 क्यों पीछे थे वो उठा लिया मैंने. You may be right, but now what I'm going to do this, I'm taking an empty box which is empty as I can see, and you can also see this is empty. So what I'm going to do is, I'm taking this cube, this camera from all the sides, I'm going to put this inside the box. And this cube, which is also scrambled from all the sides, and I'm going to put this inside the box, and I'm going to close this box as soon as possible and put here. Now I have remained 1 cube. What should I do with it? I don't know. So let's just watch it all together. And it's solved in just 1 single second. Now I have these cubes lying in the box. Last 1 minute. Now what I'm going to do is open it. Doing nothing, just rolling it down and putting snap. Then you're going to see it's solved. Let's see how. Both the cubes lying in the box are solved now from all the sides. So this was the magic stuff, and if you guys like the video, hit like and also do subscribe to my channel Cubing with Khan the Great if you want to subscribe, and if you want such videos more. Thank you so much for watching.